Date the 23rd of October. Just a quick look at risk. This is S&P on the H4. Remember your 61.8 fib from the swing high to swing low is at 3,444. Now we're above that, so it could be that we might it might ignore the retail sentiment and will continue to rally. So it could be payday for the herd in terms of their positioning, because they're now long multiple instruments, risk instruments like the FTSE, France, Germany, and S&P. Actually, they haven't actually teetered over on the S&P, but they're getting close. So it might ignore the retail sentiment. So don't take it completely like gospel, but just to say it's more like a heads up. So keep an eye on 3,444, and that's your 61.8 fib support from there. So and then your MR1 is 3,555. So 3,444, 3,555. They're your levels, and your monthly pivot is 3,382. November's pivot's a lot stronger, so technically we might be all right. AJ was actually a sell on FXCM data. Above 75.02, 74.12. Check your technicals, check your sentiment. At that point, they really went long, so it's sideways really. But yeah, check your technicals, and also don't forget your fundamentals if we do go risk off, because this will really move. AU above 71.50 and below 70.80. I think this might be safe. I'm not sure. It's quite large, but yeah, so you have to look at your risk sentiment and stuff. So check your technicals again. It's quite bearish, apart from H4, but the signal's down. EA, stop loss crosses are close. This is your MR1, 165.93. Above liquidity zone 166.06, 6 pips away, so that's likely. Below 165.44. EU above 1188. Yeah, so it's 80 pips, quite far. Below is on the monthly pivot at 117.85. Bit mixed, and we are a buy, but we're coming off. So they went long there. I'm not quite sure why they would have gone long there, but I suppose it's probably news related. So that's what happened at that point. So it's a bit crazy that they did that, but hey ho. So if they continue to carry on, down will come. So that's how it works. GU above 1319. So it's a long way away. And 13047. We are a buy, but likewise they went long there. Let's have to look at the Heikin-Ashi candles, and once you get like a series of bearish Heikin-Ashi candles, and that's like a trend reversal. So they're not looking at their technicals. NU, so this is them selling. So then that's why the Kiwi bubbles really shifted towards buy, because they really sold. Above, it's large 67.01, and below 66.48. We are a buy, and they, like I say, selling. Signal's looking a bit weak, so take care. EJ, now this euro was a strong buy, and we've come off the strong buy, so hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, Marco's analysis looks like it's going to be spot on, and we're going to target that London fix. So above we've got 124.2 and 123.33. So even though it looks like it was going up, you have to remember to check your sentiment as well. They went long here. So yeah, and obviously they should have got out, and there's your monthly pivot. There's 124.35. So that's like, that's like the line in the sand level. Pound yen above 137.82 and below 136.62, and we are a sell. UJ above 105, so it's dead easy to remember. Below 104.29, and yeah, it's them going long. So if I get them going long, down it comes. Dollar CAD above 131.80 and below 131.19. The RSL pretty sideways. Dollar Swiss. I'm going to hold up my bearish bias for this because of the sentiment is a bit ridiculous. But I have to be a bit careful because we are getting to extremes. So when it gets to 80% or 20%, we know there's not much room left. So could be seeing an extreme move. Difficult to say. Above 91, it's easy, and below 90.24 gold. There's your monthly pivot. Remember 1908. It's a good job we didn't sell. It looked tempting to sell, but you know, it's everything's like a trap. You know, this week's been tricky. But above 1915 and 1890, and that's it. It's wrapped up a tricky week. We did okay with the signals. Next week will be a lot better, and we'll actually have the no messages, so our pips total will be a lot higher because we'll actually have like the message to close. And yeah, have a good weekend, and yeah, trade safely and take care. I'll speak to you soon.